Do you want to convert Evernote files to doc file format with complete data integrity maintained? If yes, download the Macuncle Evernote Converter to doc. It is a trustworthy solution that can convert multiple Evernote files to doc file format with no loss of information. Firstly, install and run Macuncle Evernote Converter. In the Welcome window, the program offers two modes to choose Evernote data from the saved location. First, let's check the Add File option and browse the required Evernote file from the saved location. Then, click on Open tab. You can clear the selected Evernote file by hitting the Remove button. In case you have uploaded the wrong files, you can clear all the data by selecting Remove All option. User can also check the Add Folder option to bulk upload Evernote files in a folder from the saved location and then click on Open. Now, press the Next button. Now, the software analyzes your chosen file or folder and locate in the software interface. Please mark the checkbox of the required Evernote file and click on Next. Here, go to the Browse tab and specify a location on your system for the resultant file and click on Open tab. Next, check DOCX from the Select Saving option list. After that, go to the Tag filter and check the Use Advanced settings for tag filters. Now, enable the option as per the requirements. The Manage Notes as per the tag allows to export data from the Tags folder. Next, convert tags starting with. This will help only export the tag you will enter in the field. After all this, hit the Export tab. The process of converting Evernote files to doc file format is running and you can check the number of files converted. The tool drops a complete conversion message after the process completion. Trial version convert only 5 files in trial edition. Click on OK button. Saving log file provide the full conversion details. The software will open the destination location of the resultant file.